Hey Stamping fam, I'm Amy McElroy and welcome to Let's Talk 8 Must-Have Supplies. I'm so pleased that you have chosen to watch this video today. If you're a beginner's card maker, you're going to really enjoy this session. So I'm Amy from eagertostamp.com and I would like to show you my ready to go bag. So a good friend of mine gave me this bag many years ago, and this was when I was in throes of postnatal depression. So she gave me this bag so I could just put all of my craft bits and pieces that I needed, and then when I got that really important me time, I could just grab this bag and off I go. And it's something that I have continued to have all these years later. And what have I got inside? Well, these are what I call my must-haves. So if you're a beginner stamper or beginner card maker, the items in here will get you going, okay? So we'll have a look. The first thing that we've got is the Stampin Up Trimmer. Look, I know I am a Stampin Up demonstrator, but I have tried many other trimmers from other companies, and this one really has stood the test of card making. I cannot love it enough, and I cannot recommend it enough. So you've got your scoring blade and you've got your slicing blade on there. You've got your measurements, centimeters for us Aussies, and then you've got inches for us Aussies that use inches too. And I do that occasionally as well. So Stampin Up Trimmer, must have, all right? Then you've got your cardstock. So as you saw in my last video, I made 48 card bases, 4 different card folds, and I popped them inside the box. It sits inside my grab and go bag. And so your basic white thick cardstock should be in your essentials. So that's number 2 of your must-have essential supplies, the basic white cardstock. Next up, we have got, I really recommend if you're getting started and you that you get yourself just one clear block, and I recommend the E-sized clear Stampin' Up block, all right? So that'll get you going with the 2 stamp sets that I recommend. So we'll get onto those. So I recommend to start off with Whale Done. Whale Done's great. It's got some fantastic images. It does birthdays, it does congratulations, it does love. So that's perfect to have. And then alongside that, I recommend that you get the sweet ice cream. So you've got your happy birthday, your thank you. So right there, you can make a whole bunch of cards just by owning these 2 stamp sets. And of course, your clear stamping block so that you can mount these photopolymer stamps onto the block. Then I recommend, this is for your sentiments, that you have. So I love this bag because when you just, there's a little pocket, little secret pocket underneath. So you just pop that open, and inside you've got all of your color collection. So I recommend that you have a black. So I've got the Memento Tuxedo Black that I use. So I use that for stamping my sentiments when I'm just starting out making cards. And inside my bag here, you can see that I've got Pacific Point, Daffodil Delight, Bermuda Bay, Melon Mambo. So right there, I have got the Brights collection as my grab and go choice of color collection. Now, if you can't afford a full color collection or color family, I recommend that you grab an in color family. So that'll set you back. That'll set you back less than the whole 10 color family will. Moving on from then, I definitely recommend that you get yourself a Stampin Chamois. Okay, I've just kept mine inside an old stamp case, and that's just so that you can clean off your stamps, clean off your black Memento ink, so that you can then stamp in a color, or clean off your color so that you can then stamp in a lighter color. Now, if you've done some counting, you'll realize that I have just covered the 8 must-have supplies that you'll need for card making. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was short, it was sharp, it was sweet. I love that you stopped by, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.